Excellent.
Thanks for love for me. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Cherry. I hope you guys are all safe at home, quarantining and doing your fun little things at home. So yesterday night we were so bored and we thought of doing a food challenge. And dude, I am so excited for this challenge because I'm eating like soul food after a freaking month. No, not junk, but literally soul food, because I'm on a diet, and if you notice, my clothes have also become loose and I was just not eating anything. But today is the day. So again, after a lot of blackmailing, I have dragged a par to do this video with me, and he is so freaking awkward. But last night we decided that we're gonna do a food challenge. So उसने उंगली क्या दी, मैंने पूरा हाथ ही पकड़ लिया कि मैंने कहा 4-5 challenges निकाल लेते. And so yeah, that's about it. Do you wanna say hi instead of becoming so shy because you have to be in the entire video?
I mean, I'll try to manage it, but let's see how it goes.
So we are not really ordering restaurant ka khana as such. I mean, I'm not saying it's not safe, it's just that we prefer not to order it. So we haven't had anything from the restaurant, and we were just exploring last night, so we thought that frozen food is a better option right now because it's in a controlled home environment. I mean, it's your own utensils, your own oil and everything. So we explored this brand called Hoi Pure yesterday, and dude, it was such quick delivery. Like, it got delivered in the morning, and now we're gonna cook everything. We ordered 4 things. Obviously momos are there because we haven't had momos in such a long time, and we have ordered like some desi stuff also. So just in case you want to watch more such videos, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon, share it with your friends in case you also want to do the same thing, and let's go. So we ordered 4 things: aloo samosa, cheese kachori, momos and spring rolls. I mean, if you're a Delhiite, you know that these are the 2 things which we eat like every evening. So these are how the boxes came in, and then you have like another box inside, so it's quite sturdy. And this looks really nice. Like, it actually looks like bahar ka khana to me, and it's not like frozen food as such. These aren't very expensive. This big box of aloo samosa costed me like 169 rupees, plus it's frozen, so you know you can make it anytime you want. I don't want to make you jealous, but look at these. Oh. Hello. Oh no. It's also written like no preservatives, no chemicals, and pure food. So like Hoi Pure. That was lame. Alright, so we are here. I'm so excited about the freaking challenge. Why do I keep saying freaking? Really stop it, I think, yeah. But हमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया because of this challenge, और इतना सारा खाना है हमारे पास. This is not a usual appetite for sure.
I mean, I can finish this.
Yeah, मुझे लगा था कि he's excited about the samosas and all, but थोड़ा opposite निकला. He's excited about the momos.
No wonder this is on my side.
Yeah, so अब हमने थोड़ा सा twist कर दिया है. हम 4 challenges करने वाले because we have 4 different things, and what we're gonna do is like 4 different challenges under a minute. All the fun challenges which you watch on YouTube. So सारे का टेस्ट तुम्हें थोड़ा थोड़ा मिल जाएगा. So the first challenge is basically the no hands challenge, the iconic YouTube no hands challenge. So we get a minute and we keep our hands at the back. Apart from Stogi, you need to concentrate in this video. Okay. So you know,
I know
no hands. और तुम्हें ऐसे करके खाना है और चटनी लगा के खानी, बिना चटनी के नहीं खा सकते हो. So we have momos. Let's see how many we can eat. What are you doing?
I'm taking it on my side.
No, that's not fair. अगर हम इसे टकरा भी गए so that's okay. It's all about how much are you gonna eat.
You just tie your hair because at the end of the video you'll have probably red hair.
I don't have a lot of that.
I hope.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I need to do it also.
Abhi,
You can't eat it like that.
I'm not able to. बेगेड़ा बोल दो।
You need to dip it.
अरे ठीक है बेटा।
We have lost one challenge.
I haven't seen.
You just had one from your hand. So the second challenge, since Apar has lost one challenge, he doesn't.
This is my time for redemption.
What did you say, nigga?
Basically, this is the second plate up there will be. Now we're gonna do a blindfold challenge again, the iconic YouTube blindfold challenge. So we have some spring rolls here. These are Kurkure cheese spring rolls, if I'm not wrong, but these are Kurkure spring rolls. They're quite big actually as compared to like a spring roll. So we're gonna eat that. Basically,
Okay.
blindfold में ये कि तुम देख के नहीं खा सकते हो.
But I can use my hands.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just know where the dip is.
I've got a blindfold. Freaking glove.
Then careful with my hair, okay?
दिख रहा है? और चटनी के साथ खाने यू कांट चीट ऑल द टाइम. 1 2
Like the stopwatch कर दिया.
हाँ. I hope you're cheating.
Okay, I cheat.
You need to dip it.
I'm dunking it.
तुमने एक स्प्रिंग रोल नहीं खत्म किया है.
Just do it!
1 minute and we need to eat 2 samosas, okay? Can you eat it? Now the आंखें भी खुली है, हाथ भी है. अगर 2 नहीं खा
अबे तो
पाए,
appetite होने पड़ गई.
अपार एक चैलेंज तो जीत के दिखाओ. 1 2 3. Let's see who cleans it up first now. Since it's tired. I'm done.
Done.
I said it first.
You said it first and did it first.
I'm done. I'm so full.
What am I doing?
हमने चौथा चैलेंज को काफी इजी रखा है, जो अपार के लिए बिल्कुल भी इजी नहीं होगा. सो बेसिकली दिस इज अ चीज कचौरी एंड आंसर रॉन्ग दिया, तो इसका मतलब है यू नीड टू पुट लाइक मस्टर्ड सॉस, लाइक पूरा मस्टर्ड सॉस भर के खाना पड़ेगा. मतलब चाहे वो गंदा लगे अच्छा लगे, बट यू हैव टू फिनिश द एंटायर कचौरी. जब हम पहली बार मिले थे
Okay.
तो वो कौन सा मंथ था? डेट तो तुम्हें याद नहीं होगा, चलो वो तो बहुत ही दूर की बात है. मंथ बता दो.
पहली बार तो मैंने शक्ल बहुत पहले देखी थी, मतलब
बचपन वाली नहीं कर रही बात, बट हमने जब हम मिले थे.
I think it's August or July.
You choose one. I'll give you that sense of freedom right now.
I think it was July.
बच गए. बच गए तुम का.
So you know that I am obsessed over shoes. So what is my European foot size, like shoe size?
I can do that. So you're a UK 9 and I'm a UK 5. I'm a UK 5 37. So 36, 37, no, 37, no, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So you are a EU 41.
I am EU 43.
मैं बनाऊंगी.
No, no,
तुम
I'm
बना लो,
no, no,
यार ये मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. मैं कभी नहीं लगा था कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Oh my God, are you mad? मैं पूरे कचौरी के जो टेस्ट खराब किए हैं ना फिलहाल. So bad.
Use Karina more. That was wrong. Excellent.
thanks are so love for me that he spared me. मेरे last dog का name क्या था जो मेरे दिल्ली वाले घर पे था?
I mean, this is out of syllabus. You haven't told me you had a dog in Delhi.
I have discussed dogs with you.
Something like a Leo, Bruno, Bruzo, or something like this. क्या गलत है?
Obviously गलत है.
क्या है?
तुम्हें नहीं पता? मैंने बताया हुआ है.
अबे तो पता होता तो I would have answered it. I don't want to eat this.
Snooty.
Snooty. Just like you.
Also like my hair also looks like freaking dog का hair. You take a bite at least. I took a half. ये जो तुमने करा है अंदर का खाया और बाहर का नहीं खाया बहुत.
I mean, if there's one cuisine that I can eat for the next 1 month, which one will it be?
Chinese. You love Chinese. You can't give me this shit.
Can you give me an answer?
No, you can't change your answer. I know you freaking love Chinese.
Okay, it's Chinese food.
The food, like yeah.
The food is nice.
Yeah. Also, they deliver in
So I
Delhi.
prefer ordering the spring rolls and the momos. for
Momos,
sure.
na? Yeah.
Even this was
समोसा.
nice. Samosa.
इसका तुम्हें टेस्ट इतना अच्छे से आया नहीं है बिकॉज तुमने मस्टर्ड डाल दिया था अभी खा लेगा आराम से खा लेगा It's the entire day now.
Sure.
Thanks, I'm so glad Apar did this video for me, and all these food items are from Hoi Pure. Just in case you guys want to order, I'm gonna put a link down below for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. Let me know what you guys want to watch in the comment section below next week, and can you finish it for me? Like, can you say like this video?
Oh, the
Yeah.
same drill.
Yeah.
Like this video, subscribe
Right.
to the channel, and share this video, I guess.
Yeah, comment down below, and you can also do it with your friends or anybody you want to do it, and don't forget to share it with us. Lots of love. We'll see you next week. Like, I'll see you next week on him.
Thank you.
इसको तो मीटिंग में आए थे ऐसा लग रहा है. Bye.